Baby Roses, and today we're at the park playing basketball because my sister wants to practice playing basketball or whatever. I'm not sure why exactly. And let's see. I have to make this brighter because I can't see anything. As you can see, there's the basketball court and there's them playing basketball. Today's video vlog. Stop. Today's video vlog is gonna be alarm clocks and waking up in the morning. Ow! Ass! She just totally dropped the basketball on me. Okay, wait. Hold on, yeah. Okay, so anyway, my vlog is going to be about, hope you can see me clearly. I'm outside by the playground right now because my son wanted to play at the playground instead of play at the basketball court. So I'm kind of huffing and puffing right now. Anyway, my vlog is going to be about alarm clocks and waking up in the morning. So I don't know about you guys, but don't you ever wonder how people wake up or how you wake up at a certain time? Imagine if we didn't have any alarm clocks, right? Because then like, my mom, she can wake up by herself without an alarm clock. So I was wondering, is it like something in the past or is it something that you just get used to? Is there an internal clock inside of all of us? And yeah, that's basically what I was wondering. And also, this just came into my mind because one time when I set up my alarm clock on my phone, it didn't turn on. So I woke up like 30 minutes later than I should have, and luckily I wasn't late. I made it on time, I think. But yeah, anyway, let me know what your responses are in the comments, as well as you can decide to do a video response if you want to. And that's it for now. Okay, this is a very short vlog. I'll probably do some longer vlog next one if I think of something. Alright, peace out. This is Baby Roses, and yeah, bye.